Guys, do you want to create an engaging content that the viewers will watch till the end? Then create something interesting. Whether you are doing a boring tutorial, a review, or maybe a comedy sketch with the help of small funny clips, also known as memes, and also with sound effects and stickers, you can make your videos more dynamic and enjoyable to watch. On the FIlmora video editor, let me show you how to do that efficiently. So your favorite memes are available as animations in FIlmora video editor. You can use this according to the theme of your videos. Give your viewers a break with these really funny clips. Very popular SpongeBob memes are also there. In fact, in the stock media, you will find a meme section where you can find more like this. FIlmora is packed with meme sections. If you're a meme lover, definitely you should try this video editor. Even on the audio section, you have memes audios. This one is used so much.
Nice. Why are you running? Why are you running? No! God, please, no! No!
The Office. This one is so popular.
Emotional damage.
You can change the view to list view, and now you can search via tags. So based on the theme of your videos, you can look for the perfect sound effects. For example, let's try some cartoon sounds. I have already shown you some stickers. Let's find few more. Use these clips in between, use pitch. Now with templates, you can even create your own memes. Let me show you one. Here is a template that is a preset video available on FIlmora. Now you can replace the demo content with your own video. Simply drag and drop, then replace. With slide edit, you can select the part of the video that you want to keep in the template. So this is the part I want. We need to replace the next clips as well. Next, adjust the tiers, the position, rotation, scale, etc. So guys, that's how you create personalized memes for your videos. Now, not just memes, you can search for stickers, audio, stock media, effects and templates on any subject. Like I can search for emojis, stickers, and there you are. So use them accordingly in your videos. You can find almost all the emojis of all the emotions. You can go for list view to look for your perfect stickers with the help of tags. There are some pop arts you might also find interesting. If you go to the titles tab, there is a new title animation called VFX text, which is so cool, guys. You can replace your boring text with these cool animations with proper sound effects. This will look dope. So guys, this is the end of today's episode. I hope that it was useful. Check the description for the download link of FIlmora video editor and also the complete FIlmora playlist.